Good morning everyone, this is your English rhyme class and your rhyme name is 5 Little Parrots. You can see here parrots. Ready? 5 little parrots sitting on my door. One flew away and there were 4. 4 little parrots flying around a tree. One flew away, then there were 3. 3 little parrots eating chili stew. One flew away, then there are 2. 2 little parrots trying to pick a bun. One flew away, then there was 1. 1 little parrot afraid to be a hero. 1 little parrot afraid to be a hero. He flew away, then there was 0. So, it means there are no parrot because all the parrot flew away. So, this is your rhyme. Revise this rhyme every day 5 times. Bye-bye and thank you class.